Good afternoon. The title of my presentation is Evaluating Irrigation Methods and Slope Effect on Crop Performance, Water Productivity, and Water Use Efficiency of Potato in the Lower Litani Watershed of Lebanon. The MENA region is faced with recurrent drought incidences and increased water demand associated with increased water demands and water scarcity and shortages. This has been affecting food security and social stability in the region. Thus, the need to improve both water accounting and water productivity and improve the return from the applied water to support food security in the region. For this reason, we selected potato as the second most spread feed crop in Lebanon, and I suppose in the region after wheat, to check the potential of improved water saving practices at the level of small farmers. This work is part of the ABCDryBASIN Project, stakeholder participation to enhance drought resilience through reinforced indigenous knowledge and smart tools for socially just water management, joining 11 partners from 8 West Asian and African countries. In this work, we compared traditional furrow irrigation methods followed by small farmers with alternate wetting and drying technique and drip irrigation method. Randomized complete split block design with 4 replicate was implemented, accompanied with a comparison between tillage and no-till. A Class A pan was placed in the field to measure evapotranspiration, and tensimeters were inserted at 2 depths, at 20 and 40 centimeter depths, to measure soil head potential and reveal the impact of different irrigation techniques on the soil head potential. Also, we monitored crop performance, and the data was statistically analyzed including irrigation and slope as factors. Results. Our results showed level land to support significantly higher plant length, both at the beginning and full flowering stages. However, at later stage of plant development and growth and development, the slope did not affect plant growth rate. Therefore, our result shows the percent of flowering was significantly higher at the beginning and full flowering only on level land. But tuber fresh yield in the flat section of the field was significantly higher in the furrow control treatment. On the contrary, no significant difference in fresh tuber yield was recorded on sloping land. In general, the short-term test we undertook did not reveal advantage of no-till except for the tuber size, as will be shown later. Apparently, the absence of slope had a significant effect on potato tuber yield. Drip system showed higher proportion of good and elite sized tubers in tillage, while in the furrow practice showed the larger tuber size in no-till practice. Our measurement revealed less amplitude of fluctuation of soil head potential in drip irrigation compared to the furrow control measured before the irrigation and after the irrigation, indicating less water stress to the root zone in the drip irrigation method. Both furrow alternating wetting and drying, and notably drip irrigation, showed higher application and agronomic water use efficiency. To conclude, the absence of slope resulted in favorable conditions for crop growth and development only at early stage of growth. The uniform agricultural practices minimized the impact of slope on final tuber production. Furrow control significantly improved potato final tuber yield on level clay soil, possibly due to better water distribution, higher water retention in the clay soil, and water filtration rate with lateral internal seepage. Our result also showed the potential to improve small farmers' practices through demonstrating higher application and agronomic water use efficiency of potato irrigated with drip or alternate wetting and drying furrow irrigation. This is important to alleviate the footprint of irrigated agriculture. Finally, additional studies must be done to verify the effect of tillage and no-till on clay Mediterranean soil. Thank you.